any fragile item inside your luggage?
None.
So, this is your contest. Wala na. We have a bar area open at 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. and restaurant we have open at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you want to swim, we have a swimming pool open at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you want to gym, we have a fitness gym open at 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Today to Legato Mall. Here's your paper, the focus will be to serve your people. Insert also the power switch for your light and filling your vehicle now once you go out. Your luggage now, the luggage shop or beside your bed?
Beside me.
By the way, ma'am, I want to introduce our room amenities. We have a 45 flat TV and the boat and a mini bar full of water and a cold air conditioner. Anything I can help you?
None.
If you need button service, dial 1. Thank you and have a nice day, ma'am. And see you in 3 days.
Okay, thank you.
Button service.
area. And this is the
Are you ready to take out now?
Yes.
May I help your luggage?
Yes, sure.
Shall we to dial the on? Did you enjoy your stay, ma'am?
Yes, it was fun in the hotel.
How would you like settle your payment now?
Cash.
Thank you for staying in our hotel, ma'am. Have a nice day. And hope you see you again.
Thank you.